welcome to my channel again. It's Netpreneur, and in this video today we will be taking a look at how to find low competition keywords that you can use to rank your Fiverr gigs as a new seller. As a new seller on Fiverr, the easiest way to show up at the top of a search query and start gaining your first views and impressions is by targeting low competition keywords. This has proven to be one of the most effective Fiverr gig ranking tricks, and it works perfectly. The Fiverr platform is very large, and there are enough orders to go around for everyone if you play your cards right. Even as a new seller, targeting low competition keywords will drive a fair amount of traffic to your newly created gig, and with time, as soon as you get your first sale and grow your account, you'll start ranking for the bigger and more competitive keyword that buyers are actually searching for. This method also works well for old sellers who are trying to revive a dead or non-performing gig, and I'm going to take you through a live demonstration to show you how this is done. This is my personal Fiverr first paid gig ranking secrets, and I just want to share it with you today in this video. Alright guys, so if this is your first time of visiting my channel, I'd appreciate if you can hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Also, don't forget to tap the notification bell so whenever I publish new content or I upload new videos, you'll be the first in line to be notified so you don't miss out. Alright guys, without wasting much time, we'll just go straight to the business of the day, and I'm going to take you through a short tutorial on how to find low competition keywords and rank your Fiverr gigs on the first page for whatever service you're offering. Okay, so let's proceed. If you have a bowl of popcorn or some ice cream, sit back, relax, and watch me do this. Okay, so to help you discover low demand or low competition keywords on Fiverr, you can simply start by searching for keywords that are related to your gig or the service you offer. For instance, let's say I offer whiteboard animation videos, and I search for whiteboard services. And as you can see, in the whiteboard category, we have about 3,866 services available. Now, as a new seller with no reviews, no sales, and no track record, it's going to be very difficult for me to compete or try to rank for this exact keyword. Yes, so what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to try some other variations of this keyword to see if I can try to rank for a lesser competitive keyword. So let's say I add video to whiteboard, and for this result for whiteboard videos I have about 3,045 services available. It's still massive, and as a new seller it's almost impossible for me to rank for this keyword. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try adding a suffix to this keyword. Let's say I add engaging whiteboard video. Alright, so for engaging whiteboard video I have about 8,867 services available. This means that I'm going to come up, if I try to rank for this keyword, I'll be competing with 1,867 sellers. So if you ask me, of the three keywords variations I've tried, this is about the easiest for me to rank for. So if I go about setting my gig description and setting up my Fiverr gig properly with the right description and tags and meta and everything, so I stand a better chance ranking for those keywords. And as you can see, we have about 1,867 sellers trying to rank for this keyword, so that means people are actually searching for it. So if I play my cards right, set up my Fiverr gig properly, use the right keywords, I might, or there's the high possibility of me ranking on the first page for this particular keywords compared to the previous two we tried out. And to increase my chances of actually ranking for those keywords, I can actually narrow down several options. Like I can come to the service options and say, okay, so we're looking for sellers who offer their whiteboard videos in MP4 formats, and let's see how many people or how many sellers actually. So I have about 879 services. So if I use this word, let's say I say engaging, I'll create an engaging whiteboard video for you in MP4 format. I'm going to stand a good chance of ranking because I'm offering, this is one of the upsells I offer for my gigs. So let's say I also try out script writing. Let's say I offer script writing as a bonus. So I have about 598 sellers to compete with who are offering script writing as part of their whiteboard video gigs. So this is how you can, this method works for virtually every niche, be it article writing, logo design, WordPress. Instead of you to target those very competitive keywords, you can try adding variations. The trick is this: when you, as a new seller on Fiverr, instead of you to try to target those very high keywords, you can start by targeting low competition keywords. So with time, after ranking for this low competition keywords, you can start competing for the high volume keywords. So that's how it works, guys. So I believe you've learned something from this video today, and if indeed you've actually gained something of value from watching this video today, I'd appreciate if you can like this video or leave a comment if you have anything to say, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Also, don't forget to share this video on your social media platform, because sharing is caring and caring is sharing. So a share will do a lot for my channel. Alright guys, I also have something of value to give to you today. There's a link in the description. It's actually an ebook that teaches you 101 easy gigs that you can offer on Fiverr and make thousands of dollars from. So the link to this ebook is on the description, so you can scroll down and help yourself out for it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, because I'll be releasing more helpful tutorials on Fiverr that's going to help you find your way around Fiverr. Alright guys, bye for now. Stay blessed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share my contents on your social media platforms, and subscribe to my channel.